Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mario So, and in today's video, I'll be talking about a very cheap wireless microphone system that comes in at about $30. And that microphone is right here. It comes in this little nice box. And I do have to say that although this video is not sponsored, I was sent this for free and give it my thoughts. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. We have the user manual of this microphone, the K037B by Fifine Technology. So it looks quite informative with lots of pictures, which I like. So I think they did not cut any slack on instructions. So we'll get a chance at checking this out. But first things first, I need batteries, and it runs on AA batteries, which I do not have right here. This is the transmitter with a 1/4 inch, and it's interesting, it has a little extender for an antenna. Other than that, there aren't any other buttons on this other than the on and off button. Man, I just realized that the transmitter and the receiver do not take the same type of batteries. This one takes AA and this one takes AAAs. A little bit of a hassle. You'll have to remember to bring both types of batteries whenever you want to use this little guy. The battery compartment door for the transmitter, it's a little flimsy. Quality is not that great, but at this price point, it is what you pay for. So in the box, you get two of these connectors. They're both 1/4 inch receivers, and you use them to connect to different devices. So for example, for this one, has a TRS connector, which you plug into a camera if you want to record into your camera, which I'll do in a bit. And it's very handy that it comes with a little sticker here that says camera, connect to camera. This other one right here is a TRS-S connector that connects to a phone, and it comes again with a little sticker that says phone. If you wanted to record audio on your phone, you connect this one here, and this one will go on your phone like so, and you'll record audio that way. It comes with a lavalier microphone with a 3-pin mini XLR connection and also a headset. So you have two different types of mics that you can use with this system. And I have to say that comes in pretty handy, although for my purposes, I'm not sure when I would use this for video making, unless I wanted to use this to sort of teach a course or to give a lecture or run a workout routine or something like that. For filmmaking, I can see people using this wireless LAV more just because it's small, and most of the times you want to hide your mic when you're shooting video. So you can set different frequencies via the button at the top, the set button. The really cool thing about this thing is that it pairs automatically to the transmitter without having to mess around with this. So if you change the frequency right here, you'll see that the green light turn on for a split second, and once it turns on red, it means that it's paired. There you go. So I'm now recording audio on this wireless microphone, so you can kind of hear the difference between this and the Wireless Go. I have to say, at this price point, the audio sounds okay enough. After some post-processing, I'm pretty sure it will sound pretty decent and quite usable for quite a few purposes. So let's hear what it sounds like after some post-processing now. So I've added a little bit of a multiband compressor and some noise reduction to this. And you can try to hear what it sounds like right now. I'll probably be able to hear it after I record this video. Fifine claims that the range of this microphone is about, let me check the user manual. It's about, so I can't find it. So anyways, we'll head out and test the range of this wireless microphone system. So we're outside and it's really cold, but I'm right here trying to test the range of the microphone. So I'm gonna walk away and see how it sounds. So I'm about half a block away. I don't know, maybe like 10 feet, 12 feet, 15 feet, I'm not sure. But this is what it sounds like right now. Let's walk a little bit further and test the range of this. So we doubled the distance. I don't know if you can still see me, but we're really far right now. almost a full block away, and this is what microphone sounds like. And I'm almost like a block away. I don't know how many feet this is, maybe like 30 feet away. But realistically, you wouldn't be using this mic at such a long distance, I think. You either be using it indoors or even an indoor hall, but I'm not sure if you'd be so far away when you're actually using it. I'm not sure if you can still hear me. Right now it's really windy outside, so it's not the best scenario to test the quality of this. So this is solely a range test of this microphone. So this was a range test of the microphone. So let's get back inside because it's really cold. The transmitter is quite solid. It has like a little belt clip here. It doesn't seem finicky, unlike the battery compartment. The receiver does not have a thread for a tripod or a cold shoe mount, so right now it's just hanging off my camera. So it would be good if they had it, but I mean, at this price point, there's not much that we should complain about. So let's test what this sounds like with the headset. I'm not sure if I'm wearing it correctly, but for our sound testing purposes, I guess this should work. So this headset will come in handy in situations where you're teaching or giving a lecture, or you want the microphone to be closer to your mouth, but not for film or video interview purposes, in my opinion. So the system itself, I find that is quite solid for this price point. The belt clip seems a little bit sturdy. The thing that I don't really like is how flimsy the battery compartment is. Overall, this wireless microphone system is really good for its price. At about $50 Canadian or 30 something US dollars, it's a great starting point if you're just starting out in the world of video or in recording audio, or you've been recording audio through your camera body and you wanted to up your audio game. This may be a really good starting point without breaking the bank, because a lot of really quality wireless microphones can go from $500 to $700. A good quality one like the Rode Wireless Go starts at about $200 to $250. So a few things I like about this system is that it's really easy to set up. The other thing that I like is that it has a 1/4-inch connector on the receiver, which you can use to plug into mixers or other PA systems. Another thing that's really cool about this is the ability for you to record directly to your phone. Now, in terms of some of the things that I don't like, the footprint is obviously a lot bigger on this one. It has a little antenna right here, which it just makes this a little bit of a bigger thing to deal with. There isn't a battery level indicator on the receiver, so that's a little bit of a bummer. And the last thing that I think could be improved upon would be just adding a cold shoe mount on the transmitter. Having it dangling or having to bring tape or Velcro every time you want to use it to attach it to your camera or your phone to record audio, it's a little bit of a pain. To conclude, the K037B by the company called Fifine. It's a pretty solid budget wireless microphone system choice. I'm very impressed by all of these companies coming up with a very cheap and very budget-friendly filmmaking gear. It makes it so much easier for people who are starting out to test equipment, to try things out. So that's it for me, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're in the market for a very budget-friendly wireless microphone, this wireless microphone might be a really good option for you. So I'll leave some links in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out and see if it's something you would like to get. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And until next time.